Termili hinaydi terminologies of forest extinction. Ah, ah, forestry extension. Forest fragmentation, the subdivision of large natural landscapes into smaller, more skilled fragments. Fragmentation affects the viability of wildlife populations and ecosystem. Forest types: association of tree species for three similar ecological requirements. Uh, Maryland forest types include Allegheny hardwood, Lobule shortleaf northern hardwood, and Gum cypress, cactus, and catkpens. Forested wetland, an area characterized by woody vegetation taller than 20 feet, where soil is the least periodically saturated or covered by water. Forester, a degree of profession trained in forestry and forest management in Maryland. All foresters must be registered with the state. Forestry, the science of tending woodlands. Forestry Incentives Program, a cost of sharing program that reimbursed part of the cost than donors incur or completing certain forestry practices. A system of including knowledge, values, and skills relevant to the target group that individuals of group may develop themselves and improve their environment. Farmer class, an organized out-of-school classes designed to other alternative solution to problems and identified by farmers. Field trips, a planned trip usually outside the community for farmers to see and witness certain improved, practical, successful project. Group selection, a process of harvesting patches of trees to open the forest canopy and encourage the reproduction of an event agent stands. Habitat, the ecosystem in which plant or an animal lives and obtains food and water. Hardwoods, a generated forms of encompassing broadleaf or deciduous trees. Harvest, the cutting, filling, the gathering of forest timber. Herbaceous vegetation, low-growing non-wood plants including wildflowers and terms in a forest understory. Hypsometer, aim of several talks instrument designed to measure the height of trees. The cynometer in such a tool. Industrial forester, a profession employed by a wood using industry, usually a small, who purchase timber from private woodland and owners. Introduced species, a non-native species that was introduced internationally and intentionally brought into area by humans. Next is slugger, an individual who forests timber for a living.